So the next one here is about Docker and the security of Docker. So why are containers okay for y'all to use?
Yeah, and so we don't use Docker, EE, or all that stuff. We use Kubernetes, and we have multiple distributions of Kubernetes. They have to be CNCF compliant. They have to work air gapped. That's a mandate. So for us, anything that's the control plane is running on the cloud, and we don't have access to that, is not an option. We have to control everything, as you can imagine. You don't want to have a control plane running somewhere else that you don't know what's going to happen to it. And so, we centrally accredit and scan each distribution. In fact, the code of Convoy and VMware and even upstream Kubernetes, and we have a bunch OpenShift and Convoy. I mean, everything is on the source my repo, and I'll put the link on the chat so people can go and see that. But really, that's where we centrally harden the distros and we scan them. And look, if it's good enough for weapon systems, I'm pretty sure you should be able to convince your boss to use it too, right? And use us as a reference, right? But yeah, we do a lot of hardening and scanning, and we have many advanced setting, right, on Kubernetes to harden. We use Open Policy Agent, right, OPA, to have some regular policies. We use, of course, Twistlock and Anchor, and use our hardening. And look, I would not use. I don't mind using the Docker runtime, but I would not use Docker without Kubernetes and without the orchestration. That's what we use. But that's me.